gani. Ah, ilam. Okay. Karon na naghimo. Ha? May lakay ha. Naabot yung 2010. 2010 ko naabot ang scroll. Napadong namin nyo. Yan na.
Darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be.
Na, nabuo na oh.
Take my hand, take my whole life too.
Makare, ang damay mo. Tagay niya, tagay niya. Na. May lungon ba?
Stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold me tight.
Ay, musika, tawa, bro, yun ang mas
I'll be here till you cry.
Lagi, teloko na lang na.
For
Kilawon.
it seems so much
Kamot to.
my arms will hold you. You're safe and warm. This one between us can't be broken.
Balmer na.
I will be here till you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From the day of yes, you'll be in my heart.
Pagbalik ako si Nina. Yun, kono. Picture na, ikaw
Mananda doon sa...
Kanang kanta.
Na, sa tabi.
Ilo.
Hello, Day. Lord. Happy birthday. Hinaot. Happy
Yan na, ayun na.
birthday, Lord. God bless you.
Ate Lar.
Enjoy the bless.
100, 100. Yan na. Ayun.
Happy birthday to the Lord. Have a wonderful day today.
Happy birthday, Lord. Enjoy your day. See you soon. Love you. Bye.
Sa music,
Hi, Lord. Happy birthday. Overcome beauty, Lord. Enjoy your birthday, Lord. And save me some more food. Sorry. I still have hangover. But enjoy your birthday. Cheers.
Ang over na siya.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Pero ako yun. Wala ako yun.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Lord.
God bless you.
La.
Gusto ka accomplish magpunoon tayo ng adlaw. Happiness, laughter, and love. Gikan sa mga people na importante kayo sa inyong lives. Salamat po Lord sa inyo pag-aaral sa mo. Enjoy your special day and make us happy memories. Happy birthday again and God bless. Always for this day is good. Happy birthday, Day.
Ay, nakaapas.
Ano sa ako na? Ganyan.
Ah, kanina.
Salamat po kayo sa imong kayo, Lelo. Happy birthday. More blessing.
Ganyan na.
Ako eh.
Lord, happy birthday. Una, nagpasalamat ko sa iyo. Kayo, hindi na mo magal mo. Sa iyo. Mga tapat ko sa ako. Sa iyo ko. Dito ko na. Kita. Pero, ako ay kasulti nyo. Masih berkano na ako ng English ko. Kasi mag-translate baka English. Lord, wishing you continued success in your business and fulfillment in everything you do. May this year bring you upon
Katawa
new
siya.
opportunities and growth. Wish you all the best and have a wonderful celebration. Happy birthday to you, Lord. Sa imong pamilya, nandito yang happy birthday.
Bakbak.
Ada mo istorya ka.
Gusto mo rin mo ay huwagin taan yung kayo ka. Nakaon na dapat pagkatuligan mapunta sa Pinoy. Huwag ilapin na yun magprasya na dawat ni mo prasya ng dawat anak. Sumunod natin kay salamat sa iyo. Salamat panatin mo. Happy birthday! Yes,
May manok.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye.
to God and more blessings.
Hi, Lord. Happy and blessed 40th birthday. Thank you for being always there for me and our entire family. Thank you for your generosity together with your family, with Jerome and the kids. Daghan kay salamat sa tanan-tanan. Daghan na kay mo mga natabangan ng mga tao and family and inspire. So, ingat ka, as you say, achieving 40th birthday is already a blessing. Yes, indeed, truly it is a great blessing. So, blessed kay ka with your family as a business-minded woman, as a mother, and as a teacher. But with all those, I think ang medyo hardest part is being a mother to our kids. Sabi na this time, Lord, nga nagkadagko na sila, naana sila yung mga ilahang ideas or mga suggestions. But with God's guidance, padayon lang ta sa pag-guide po nila. So again, we are so blessed and happy to have you as our sister and a member of the family. So we always pray to God that you and your family will receive more blessings, good health, and especially more blessings and more birthdays to celebrate. So we love you, Lord, from Argao. Amping mo diha always and God bless. Love you.
Happy Lord, wish you always good health and more blessings to come with you and your family. We love you always. God bless.
Hi, Ma. I hope that you enjoy today. Thank you for being the most best mother. I hope God will bless you with a lot of blessings, and I hope that you will have more years of love and laughter. I love you so much.
Nasaan niya nasunod?
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you, and I hope that you will enjoy your happiest and wonderful day today. Happy birthday!
Then, din akong istorya din yung ratong kasto. Happy birthday na lang. Ang hinaap ko nga ikaw, tagaan ng taas ng kinabuhi. Nagaghan doon mo abot na birthday sa... Ay, salamat.
Hilak lagi. Siya kapadayan.
Hi, Liz. My birthday. I wish nga ikaw ta hatagan takag taas nga kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Kunya ako tigurang naman. Di na lang ko mag-birthday.
Siya naman.
Happy birthday, Len. Mulan to.
Turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you. Through the years.
Happy birthday to you. Ni wala kay kandila.
Happy birthday
Doon tayo, doon ba? Di.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday
to you.
Imagine. Imagine. Gipang! Wait, laga, lain na. Ano yung suga na eh? Message ya, message.
Thank you. Thank you.
What is baby boy?
Baby boy!
Baby boy! Ang wish, ang wish!
Hey, wish si Kuya. Kuya, imong message. Ay, message imo. Message, uy!
Happy birthday, babe.
Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you through the years.
Sana all.